Hey guys, this is to all the individuals who face challenges with unwavering determination, who rise above and the obstacles that come their way. And to those who continue to push forward despite the struggles, this is a message for you. My journey in passing the board exam isn't easy. And balaan ko, balaan nyo man na. So, this is my story when I receive my license as a registered social worker. And, I have so many doubts man. Moments of doubts. Kaya may mga times man niya na feel ko nga wala ko himo sang progress, and every day may araman times nga itong mag-give up na lang ko kay syempre I was working as well as studying, so the deadlines, the loads of my work medyo medyo budlay i-balance. But amo gini pinakamatuod niya katotohanan. Perseverance is what will set you apart. Yes. Remember, the road to success is ala na iya agi nga straight line. Siyempre may ara na yung mga obstacles, mga setbacks, kaya mga challenges. Pero sa kada moments hindi ina sa sign nya hindi ikaw maayo git, no? Gapakita lang man na ang or nag-test sa imong pagiging resilience. Every time you face difficulty and push through, so it means you are getting stronger, you are getting smarter, and you are capable of achieving your goal. There are times you might feel so overwhelmed, kaya syempre ma-feel mo ang when you see ang kadamulon ang kabugaton sang libro nga nakita mo for review or studying, ang mga wala untat ang pressure sa exam. So all you have to do is just take a deep breath and just remind yourself why you started. So yun, pisahan mo na, why not tapusun mo. Kag isipan magid niya malayo ka na, and then the exam is just the final step para sa mas pagit dako ni mga journey sa life. And then sa kada oras ng study, kada pag-practice sa mga questions, kada review session, ang managid na ang mga fondasyon naton sa pagkuha or sa pag-abot sa success nga ginatawag sa kabuhi natin. Sa si Ninya pa sumakses na. So I know matag ko lang sa inyo nga believe in yourself. You've proven before that you can face challenges. Instill mo lang sa self mo na you are stronger than you realize. Kag ang imo nga determinasyon amo na mapadala sa imo or makadala sa imo para ipadayon ang imo nga handom. Pagiging focus sa exam and pagtapos sa mga gagmay nga mga tasks. All you have to do is just stay focused. Focus to your goal, focus to your dream, Kag ikaw lapit na lang gid sa imo nga goal sa kabuhi. Kung may mga times man ma-feel mga ma-discourage ikaw, always remind mo man ang imo nga self nga sa kada every successful person may ara gid sila nga ginatubang nga mga pangduha-duha, mga pangluya kumbaga, mga uncertainty. Pero ang mga pagiging persevere or ang natawag nila nga perseverance amo gina ang nagalid para sa nagalid pa kadto sa sa kadalagan or sa victory yung ginatawag. So it means you are no different. You know, your journey might not always be easy, but your determination mo gina mag-guide sa imo para pakadto sa success. So keep going, and I know you're closer than you think. But man speed mo ko sa mga gid panghambal ko ba? Lakat ko lang. Wala ako kabalokon din ng PCC. Wala akong nag-taxi. Nag-commute lang ako. Para na so, lakto ko lang yung pasulot sa PICC. Labak naman ko sa biyak. So, this is my video when I was taking my oath in PICC, Pasay City, Manila. So, I traveled lang alone. Ako lang din nag-travel. Kaya, syempre, medyo magastos. Kaya malayo. And, ang story dira, I was nakita ko ang post kung saan ang outtaking. And isang nag-post na, I immediately book a flight. Na-excite ang lola nyo. So, I book a flight pakadto sa Manila. And na-timingan man nga, mas barato to ang amo to nga ticket. So, ako lang isa. Tungod nga medyo kulang ang kwarta. Mas marami tanim po ako nga parents. But, sabi ko, push ko na lang ako lang ma-attend. So then, I attended my oath taking. Mayad lang kay may mga kilala man ko, mga classmates ko sang pag-review na nakapasar man. So, wala man ako wala man ako na kulbaan. This can first time ko mga ging isahanon sa Manila. So, it was a wonderful experience. Memorable. Later, I did know yung may araman kili sa Iloilo. But, wala ko na hinasol because I witnessed the best outtaking in PICC. I had seen the venue. I had seen some of my co-passers and all the top performing schools and also the top board examinees. So it was very fun and unforgettable experience. So sulit kit iska nagasto pa ko pila. So okay lang gid kay basta. Very thankful. Thankful ko. Here guys are some proudest moments of our life as a registered social worker. Just watch the video and enjoy.
From the University of Mindanao, Davao City, Rosalinda Manlod Sario. Vivo University, Caraga, Sheena May Magdano Obispo. And now we have the top 10 performing schools in the September 2024 licensure examination for social workers. Category B, with 10 to 50 examinees and with at least 80% passing percentage. In rank 10, with 20 passers out of 23 examinees for a passing percentage of 86. 24 passers, 100%. Pamantasan ng lungsod ng Valenzuela.
Growth environment. Be a perpetual learner. I have always embraced the idea that professional success comes in installments.
AI or artificial intelligence in the near future. In fact, I was so ill that my father has to carry me on his back and bring me to school because I can't walk that far. Imagine
an executive order
promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines.
Promulgated by the duly constituted authorities of the Republic of the Philippines.
And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily.
And that I impose this obligation upon myself voluntarily.
Without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
Without mental reservation or purpose of evasion.
I further solemnly swear.
I further solemnly swear.
That at all times and places.
That at all times and places.
I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules.
I will adhere closely to the ethical and professional rules.
Generally accepted by the social work profession in the Philippines.
Generally accepted by social work profession in the Philippines.
And that I will competently and faithfully discharge.
That I will competently and faithfully discharge.
To the best of my ability.
To the best of my ability.
The duties and obligations.
The duties and obligations.
Incumbent upon a legally authorized social work practitioner.
Incumbent upon a legally authorized social work practitioner.
So help me God.
So help me God.
Congratulations po lahat.
Congratulations. Congrats. Congrats to me. I know becoming a registered social worker is a challenging journey. Nag-require a year of educations, hands-on experience, most especially the emotional resilience. It is a path that requires dedication, but the ability to make difference in other lives makes it worthwhile.